In this video, we will learn how to change nickname on Discord. Let's get started. Here is my Discord profile dashboard. To change the nickname on Discord, first of all, let's go up there. You can see a drop-down. Go to Edit Server Profile. Here you can see the server nickname. You can change it accordingly. Let's go back. Move on to the general message text bar. Enter / and nick. Enter your desired name that you want to replace with your current name and press enter. Here you can see, my nickname on this server has been changed to Imtiaz. Let's go to edit the server profile. You can see that the nickname has changed. Another way to change a nickname is to go to the server and right-click. Click on Server Settings. Down here, you can see an option named Members. From over here, and go to Edit Server Profile. And again, you can change your nickname from here. In the last step, go to User Settings and click over Edit User Profile. Choose Server Profile, and you can make changes from here. This is how you can change your nickname on Discord. I hope you learned something from this video. If you have any question, don't hesitate to comment down below. And thank you for watching.